Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial on the Keynote app. This tutorial is going to focus on adding and editing images in the Keynote app. You'll see right up at the top at our toolbar menu there is an icon that is your image icon that will allow you to access a whole bunch of features for audio video. This is going to really focus on the photo and video button right here at the top, assuming you're going to already have taken any photos or things you may need. If you do choose to take them directly in the app, you can use the camera feature, obviously, to do so. So I'm going to tap on photo video at the top, and I'm going to tap on a picture I have that I've created and saved to my camera roll before. So this is something that I've done in the past. It's just an image that I created in like an app like Canva, just to show you what you can do. You'll notice here I have it selected. I can do things right away in this menu, like remove background, animate, link, things like that. If I were to tap on it and tap remove background, you'll see here when I hit done that it's going to focus on what it believes to be the subject of the photo. I'm going to hit the undo button up top, and it chose this for that purpose. Now, let's say I took a photo like this and I just wanted the QR code. What I'm going to do is double tap, and you'll see how this changed to a dotted line all the way around in this little menu. This is your masking tool. I'm going to just drag these blue dots to where I want them to make the QR code kind of stand out a little bit or be separated. And now if I hit done, I have just the QR code. I'm going to go back and hit my undo button just to get back to where I was here. Now, that's just a simple way to go ahead and crop out some of your photo that you have by double tapping. Once I have it selected, like everything else, if I hit the paintbrush tool, I'm going to have a range of options. The style, I can add borders and shadows. I can put a reflection. I can change the opacity or how much see-through there is, right? Like a piece of glass. You could kind of think of it that way. The more opaque it is, the harder it is to see through. The lower the opacity, the more see-through it is, if that makes any sense. So you can go through and practice and screw around with any of these kind of options. What I'm going to talk about here is in images. Again, remove background, we'll do this. Editing the mask is similar to when you double tap. You'll see it's the same menu. And then you have your arrangement options where you can do all the things like moving it front to back. If you had multiple items on here, you can do your rotation, flipping, all that type of stuff. So those are the basics of once you add an image in, what you can do. I'm going to add a new slide in here at the bottom and show you one other tool that you have available to you. I'm going to go ahead and add a shape. I'm going to make this circle a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and add another photo that I have here. I'm going to choose this green little picture up here that I want to add, right? You'll notice I took a picture. It's on one of those like green folders just to have more of a solid background. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that and hit remove background. You'll notice it did a pretty good job of removing that background other than the little bit of an area around it, which I'm not concerned about really for this purpose. Now what I'm going to do is tap on one of these objects and then tap the other while holding down that to select both. Or I can drag my finger across to select both. You'll now see that there is an option called Mask with Shape. So because I chose a shape and an image, I can tap Mask with Shape. I can add this in. I can make the shape bigger, smaller. I can make this bigger or smaller by just dragging this around. And once I hit done, you'll see here that I have a shape that is now my little picture that I chose. Now, if I didn't remove the background, just to go back here and undo, if I didn't remove that background and I did the same thing and I hit Mask with Shape, you're going to see here that my picture will take on that shape. So if you have something like a profile picture or something that you want to create a circle of it, almost to snap it into a frame, this is a tool that you can do. It's called Masking with Shape. I encourage you to take some photos and get some of the shapes that are available to you and play around with that. You can even take pictures of things like brick or stone or whatever and then find some of the buildings and things like that that are in here and have them take on that texture that you want them to have. from a photo that you chose. So there's a lot of options for that. So those are the basics of adding and editing shapes, whether it's just a simple shape that you want to put a border or something around, or you're trying to do something a little more advanced like masking. Practice and improve on this skill set, and it'll help you in your future projects. Good luck, and thanks for watching.